Welcome to Digital Marketing Answers. I'm here with Vanessa, and today we're going to be talking about how to use personalisation to generate more leads. So how is personalisation related to digital marketing? What is the link?
So most people, they think that personalisation is just using like a first name of a customer or prospect and email, but actually we can go further than that. So there's a lot more to it. We can look at like different personas business has. We can look at the different interests of the prospect and the customer, and use personalisation, so it suits them basically. Yeah. Other things we can do with personalisation is looking at where they sit, like if they're a prospect, where they sit in the buyer's journey. So whether they're at the awareness stage, you're going to show different content like to a prospect, look in the awareness stage to maybe in the decision stage, and then you can help nurture that contact into becoming a customer. So that's how we would use personalisation to generate more leads.
So what are the key differences between using personalisation for B2B and versus B2C?
Okay, so one thing that you can look at is the way you communicate to your customers, your prospects. For B2B, it might be more, email, or you provide content in the form of like gated content and something that they download. Whereas for like B2C and maybe like e-commerce, you might be looking at more social media, like building communities on social media, more like social ads. So it's just the different channels you might look at, and personalising that content, personalising how they receive that content.
Okay, that's really useful. And how do you use sort of personalisation tools such as like HubSpot to create this content for your contacts?
So what's great about HubSpot, it's a very powerful CRM system. It can do marketing, sales, all sorts. And how a tool like HubSpot would help is you can segment that data within your CRM. You can analyse the data that you have and look for patterns in group, your contacts. And then what you can do is tailor like different nurture flows, emails, the time you send it. You can also look at like setting up A/B testing and using AI powered tools, so you make sure you're sending the right contact at the right time through the right channel to your database. By doing that, and with HubSpot, you'll be able to see all that data and how they're engaging with everything you're sending out. It's just going to help you learn, what actually converts people from leads to customers, and you just keep following the same strategy, keep improving on that strategy, and that's how you generate more leads.
And so when you segment your contact database in HubSpot, what else can you do to make it even more personalised?
So HubSpot also offers, you can use smart content, and you can use this on websites and landing pages. So for example, if you have like a contact in your system and they're set as a customer, you can personalise that content so it's aimed towards that customer. It could be, if they're sitting in a certain industry or they use certain services, products that you offer, you can personalise the whole page to what they want to see. We can do that for wherever that contact is sitting in the life cycle stages. It could be, if they're a prospect, you might want to show them how you can help them as business, or how your products and services can it's worth buying basically. So you can just show different messaging basically for the different life cycle stages.
So how can we use personalisation in the sales process?
How we can use it in the sales process is, if you have a CRM system, any sales calls you have with prospects, you can take those notes, write them straight into HubSpot, for example, and it's just about referring back to the details that you have on that contact, making sure, for your next call, you're bringing up the goals, you're really listening, their goals, their objectives, how you can help them, and also like the small things, like, what their interests are. And it's just like helping build that relationship. Personalising and tailoring your calls and, you know, emails to that prospect.
Yeah, like paying attention to those little details.
Exactly, yeah. And then it just helps with the sales process and hopefully convert them into a customer.
Perfect. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below and download the podcast. Thank you very much.